Alright, so with Bris beats, usually there's a dog bark in the beat, so I'm going to add that next. So you just, in the 2100 drum kit, if you have it, all you have to do is go up to the animals folder and hit dog bark. Cool, so we got the dog bark on there. And let's see. We'll add a couple cowbells real quick. Alright, same thing, so you want to just do a little bit of panning. So I'm going to go ahead and set these to the left since my hi-hats are hitting down here at the right. Alright, cool. And then as you can see with the cowbell, it's kind of off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset it. So we're going to go to Edit Audio Editor. So what you want to do is drag it into the audio editor and just cut off whatever beginning space is there, right? Boom. Now it's on point. Boom. It already sounds more on point. So I'm probably going to add 2 more perks, and then I'd say that this drum loop is pretty much good. We'll do the 808 after. I like to use different triangle sounds. My favorite one is this one right here. Actually, no, that's not it. That one. Cool. So we're going to add that. And then we're going to add... Maybe we'll do some chants. Let's see what chants we got. That sounds cool. Cool. So we got all 3 drums. Oh, we're going to add these 3 drums in real quick. Cool, so we got all the drums down now. Now what we need to do is we just need to add in the 808.